Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing Moomoo versus Questrade and which trading platform is best for you. Let's dive right in. So first things first, I think it's ideal that we compare pricing and fees for both Moomoo and Questrade. Both of these have a zero commission for stock and options trades. They both have no account maintenance fees. And Moomoo comes with free level 2 market data, which is typically a paid feature with other brokers such as Questrade, which does charge you for level 2 market data. Questrade also comes along with extra charges for option trading. Account fees include annual fees for RSP and TFCA accounts, which is mostly in Canada. But Questrade, unlike Moomoo, comes with a free trial access to some tools and research. So that is that benefit. Moomoo is known for its user-friendly interface, unlike Questrade, which is slightly complicated and ideal for more professional and advanced traders. Moomoo comes in with a lot of tools such as real-time market data, which again is free. It has advanced charting tools and access to financial news and analysis directly within its app. Unlike Questrade, which again is a powerful platform, but it is more for advanced traders with technical analysis tools, real-time quotes, and a variety of charts, which unfortunately come at a cost of a small fee per month. Now, both of these have a variety of accounts. Moomoo offers individual brokerage accounts, joint accounts, as does Questrade. They both have their specific fees for this. In my opinion, both of these are great brokerage platforms, but I would go with Moomoo as it is more friendly for beginners and intermediates. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.